Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today we shall solve a previous year question paper to get an idea about how questions are asked from English grammar, vocabulary and comprehension or understanding. There are many questions which are asked repeatedly in all exams. So if you are interested, I shall upload more solved previous questions. You may comment in the comment box. Let's start. Solved papers of previous year's exams. SSC Combined Graduate Level Exam Tier 1, which was held on 7 September 2016. First question. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the given word. That is, we need to find out the synonym of the word pallid. Options are friendly, pale, worthless, comforting. Answer is pale. So pallid means pale because of illness or lacking vigor and intensity. Second one, choose the word which is opposite in meaning, that is the antonym. The word is intangible. Options are ethereal, concrete, insubstantial and abstract. Answer is the second one, concrete. Intangible means invisible or difficult to describe. So in the options, abstract is having the same meaning of intangible, that is it's a synonym, and its opposite is concrete, that means tangible, that is can be touched or visible. Third one, choose the correct spelt word. The word pontifical is given in different spellings. We need to select the one which is having the correct spelling. The first one is the correct Pontifical. Pontifical. It means related to or connected to Pope. Question number 4, 5 and 6 are related to error detection. Question is, find out the error. I always enjoy read books. Here, the second part is having an error. After the word enjoy, the gerund form of the verb, that is ing form of the verb, should be used. So instead of to read, use reading. So the corrected sentence is, I always enjoy reading books. Fifth one, variety is spice of life. Here, in the third part, there is an error. That is, the definite article, the is to be used. So use the spice of life. The sentence will come, variety is the spice of life. There is another example. He is the Shah Rukh Khan of our school. Here he is compared to Shah Rukh Khan. So we must use the definite article the with that. So it comes, he is the Shah Rukh Khan of our school. Sixth one, neither of the scout leaders know how to trap wild animals or how to prepare them for mounting. So here the first part has an error. That is, neither of, either of, one of, etc. are always followed by a plural noun or pronoun. but it agrees with a singular verb. See, neither of the scout leaders. So it is followed by a plural noun, that is scout leaders. But the verb will follow neither, that is singular. So we must use the verb in singular. So instead of know, we have to use knows. Neither of the scout leaders knows how to trap wild animals, etc. Question number 7, 8 and 9 are related to fill in the blanks. Question is, fill the blank with an appropriate word. 7th one, we can dash see anything in the dim light. The options are badly, scarcely, fairly, rather. Here the answer is scarcely. It means almost not. It is like seldom, hardly, little, few. Thus the sentence will come, we can scarcely see anything in the dim light. 8th one, few countries can dash India in variety, color and richness of dance forms. Options are compare, rival, perform and prevail. The answer is second one, rival. Rival means compete with or be opponent with. So the sentence will come, few countries can rival India in variety, color and richness of dance forms. 9th one, the scheme allows students from different countries to communicate dash. Options, each other, with each others, themselves, with one another. The answer is 4th one, with one another. When there are two people, then we use each other. If more than two, then we have to use one another. So the sentence will become, the scheme allows students from different countries to communicate with one another. Question number 10, 11 and 12. It is related to idioms and phrases. The question is, choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase. First one is straw in the wind. Straw in the wind means a small sign of what might happen in the near future. The options given are a lightweight object, a lucky charm, a game that kids play, an indication of what might happen. So straw in the wind is an indication of what might happen. So 4th one is the answer. 11th, face the music. Face the music. Options are be applauded, be ridiculed, be punished, be dismissed. The answer is be punished. Face the music means a punishment for something you have done. There is an example. Don't repeat your wrongdoings, otherwise you will face the music, he said. So if you are doing anything wrong, then we will have to face the music. 12th, curry favor. Option, seek impartial judgment, seek favorable attention, prepare a dish, attract attention. The answer is seek favorable attention. There is another example. Raj presented the science teacher many valuable gifts to curry favor with him. So that is seeking favorable attention. Question number 13, 14 and 15. It is related to the one-word substitutions. Question is, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. First one, a brief or short stay at a place. Options are solitude, soiree, sojourn, solstice. Here, solitude means loneliness. Soiree means an evening party or gathering. Sojourn means a temporary stay. Solstice means midpoint of winter and summer. So, here the answer is sojourn. It means a brief or short stay at a place. 14th, that which can be believed. Options: miraculous, creditable, credible, gullible. The answer is credible. Its opposite is incredible. That means unbelievable. So, that which can be believed is credible. 15th, one who is indifferent to pain. Options: eccentric, philosopher, fatalist, and stoic. Answer is stoic. One who is indifferent to pain. Stoic. Eccentric means unconventional or strange. Fatalist is a person who believes in fate. 16 to 20. That is, there are 5 questions from sentence improvement. The question is, choose the correct alternative to the underlined part of the sentence which will improve the sentence. First one, knowing that the area was prone to earthquakes, all the buildings were reinforced with additional concrete. Options: on being prone to earthquakes, having been knowing that the area was prone to earthquakes, since the area was known to be prone to earthquakes, and no improvement. So here 3 is the answer. Since the area was known to be prone to earthquakes, all the buildings were reinforced with additional concrete. Here it is showing a cause, since the word since is used. 17th, I will not buy some mangoes. Options: a little, much, any, no improvement. See, here mangoes are countable nouns. So the first 2 options cannot come the answer. A little and much are always used with uncountable nouns like water, rice, like that. So here it is a negative sentence. So we must use any. 18th, the alarming report of the plane crash left everyone in a state of shock. Options: alarmed report, alarmed reporting, reported alarm, and no improvement. Here answer is no improvement because the sentence is correct. The alarming report of the plane crash left everyone in a state of shock. 19th, he would surely assist me if I had requested him to do so. Options: would surely assisted me, would have surely assisted me, will have surely assisted me, no improvement. The answer is second one, would have surely assisted me. This is from the session if clause and main clause. So there are some rules for if clause and main clause that we will cover in our if clause main clause session. See, if clause is used in past perfect tense, then the main clause will be would plus have plus V3. See, the if clause is I had requested. That is past perfect form. I plus had plus requested. So the main clause will be would plus have plus V3. That is would have plus assisted. So second one is the correct answer. 20th. We are not the wiser after hearing the explanation. Options: none, neither, nevertheless, and no improvement. The answer is none. See, none is used with the plus comparative to mean not at all. Here, the plus the comparative of wise, that is wiser, is used. So before that, we should use none. None the wiser. So the correct sentence is we are none the wiser after hearing the explanation. So these are the 20 solved questions of previous SSC CGL examination. There are 5 more questions from passage. The question will be like this. Read the passage carefully and choose the best answer to each question out of the 4 alternatives. I did not include it here because the lesson will be more lengthy. If you want lessons on passage, comment in the comment box. I will make a separate lesson. But reading passage is not tough because you should improve your understanding by reading and learning basic grammar. Improve your reading speed. One important trick is that when you do a passage, first take a quick reading of the questions given. That will give an idea about what does the passage contain. Keeping the questions in mind, we can easily find out the answers. So wish you all the best. If you like the lesson, like, subscribe and share and inspire me to work more for you. In SSC CGL Tier 2, there are 200 English questions with a time duration of 2 hours. Additionally, questions are there from sentence rearrangement, that is PQRS type, then direct, indirect speech, active and passive voice, clause test, etc. are there. I would try to cover all these in our grammar and vocabulary sessions. Thank you.